automation is tricky. You want to have something that is computer controlled and repetitive, and you want to do the job. Construction is, I think, probably one of the hardest because we apply robotics to a site that we might have not seen before.
There's such a big gap in terms of like labor shortages, especially with masonry, where I don't think we are going to take any jobs. There might be a shift, like people who are actually thinking about becoming a mason, maybe becoming a robot operator, but existing masons, we're not going to take the jobs.
Sounds way cooler.
A lot of our magic actually as a company, where we like bring the real world into the digital world, back to the robot world, and the robot actually lays the bricks back into the real world. Right? You get this full loop actually. And why do we do it? Because the technical drawings or like building information models, like BIM models, are great, but they're theoretical models, right?
They're always wrong.
They're always wrong. We can probably make it faster for you, more predictable for you, and maybe even a little bit cheaper for you. But we need to actually get starting, right? I also understand like your margins are quite low, and you don't want to take big risks. What if you pay me the same amount per brick as the mason, but still have masons on site, right? You have 10 masons there, well, take one mason, put them on another project of yours, speed up that project so you can start the next one even faster, and we'll replace that one on site. If it fails, you don't pay us, and the other 9 masons who are there can still take over our work. If it works, amazing. Next project, we deploy 3 robots instead of 1. They will never buy the machine. They also tell us, like, I will never buy the machine because one, I don't know how to operate it, and even if we make the UX better, right, and all of like the consistency better and everything, like, they probably will never buy the machine because like, as soon as it breaks down, they put it somewhere in the corner of a shed, it gets dusty, and they just do whatever they know because they're already doing it for 20 years, right?
They want the outcome.
They want the outcome, exactly. And as long as we can deliver the outcome, then they're willing to work with us. Then it's on us to make our margin profile better and better, so we actually have a business, right?
By the way, the background noise for people listening is the robot working in the background.
They're mixing a batch of mortar right now.
So always robots driving around here. So
we like it.
There are many sounds in here that you start to recognize at some point.
But keep it simple and people will work with you.
And you need to just foster goodwill. You need to go on site early in the morning, be there, be part of the team, get your hands dirty, show that you're part of the team, that you're willing to work with them together to get an end result. We're not like the tech bros that come with our fancy toy. No, we're part of the construction team. We're there to deliver value, like Stijn is saying. And I think that just works.
Walk the walk, talk the talk.
Yeah.
Wear the hard hats.
Exactly.
Wear the hard hats, of course.